Hi, Susie Sivkov here with a demonstration of how you can help prevent identity theft and mortgage fraud by blocking non-public personal information from prying eyes with the Notary Privacy Guard. The Privacy Guard is compatible with NNA journals. It's made of a sturdy, lightweight vinyl, and it lightly clings to the pages, slides smoothly upward to help previous entries be hidden. And it also acts as a page marker in your journal. There are labeled tabs at the bottom to correspond with the columns in the journal. Before you begin, slide the Privacy Guard down over the previous entries, and this will block previous signers' information from any viewing eyes. Line up the labeled tabs with the columns, and you're ready to proceed. When you're done, slide the Privacy Guard into the middle of your journal, and you're ready to go. Isn't it nice to know that there are tools out there that can help you do your work and protect you too? One of the most important duties notaries perform is to verify the identity of signers, which helps deter fraud. There's a compact little tool that can help you do that, the Fraud Fighter UV Penlight. This UV Penlight is compact, it fits right in your pocket, and the manufacturer has a 5-year warranty from your original date of purchase. So from the naked eye, there are images you can't see on an ID. But when you use the UV pen, you shine the light on that ID, and you can see those images that are hidden both on the front and on the back. You can use it to detect counterfeit currency, credit cards, and debit cards. Like on an ID document, the Penlight reveals UV images embedded in the currency and credit cards as a security feature. Thanks for watching this demonstration of the Fraud Fighter UV Penlight. You can find this item and other essential notary tools by clicking the link in the video description below. If you like this video and want more content like this, be sure to subscribe. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to follow us for more helpful content.